Hello friends, today we will learn HTML colors. What? Just HTML colors. So here if you want to use HTML colors, then just use that's mean as a colors. Okay, what is this? This is okay, this is the colors. So they now we like to discuss that the colors have three types of color. That's mean one is RGB, hex and HSL. Okay, so here is the RGB colors. Okay, name colors. Okay, and if I want to use this one, okay, just I'm using just was background color. If I want to RGB color, okay, I'm using just RGB color. That's mean RGB. Okay, what color? This is the color. Okay, background color is RGB colors. I'm just removing all. Okay, I'm just removing all. Just was clearly. Okay, nothing, right? That's mean here will be 255.99 and here will be 71. Okay, this is the colors. Okay, okay, then we'll use hex. Hex color means what? Hex color mean hashtag colors. Okay, hashtag colors. Hashtag colors here will be what? 000. Okay, 0006 3 or 6 digit. Okay, is the background color. Okay, this is the back. And next will be HSL color. That's mean is just type here HSL. Then we'll use here 0 100% and 50%. Okay, okay, this is the color formatting. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you so much.